My hubby's a wood turner. So you see we have a lot of wood back here. Some good, some crap wood. But you know what's really good about him being a wood turner? Is that the last couple of projects he did, all the shavings gave me free mulch for the back of my greenhouse. And the next couple of projects will actually fill in this little walkway between the back and the front yard. Well, the front of the backyard. And it's only taken me a full year to realize I have all this free mulch that I could use. Yeah, I know the potatoes look awful, but that's because they're almost ready to be harvested. That'll be a video coming soon. Anyway, just thought I'd share random crap. Ciao, ciao.